Don't do my face, okay?
What do your parents think of your voice?
They've never heard me sing either.
Mom, Dad, how proud are you of your son?
You're kidding, right?
Now I'm here, and is huge. Just knowing that a freak won. A real freak won.
That's the one that we have to beat for sure. Not gonna be the main competitor, you know?
Oh my god.